There's a button here, so I think let's press the button. Let me see. It's really. Hi guys, and welcome to Kairi Happy World. So my mom got to Kairi, and she gave this to me. It's a gift from who's doing me? You. Okay, talk to me, mister. Say what you say. You're welcome. Say that.
You're welcome.
Hey, not your voice like that. Say it again.
You're welcome.
Eh. Let's open it. Okay, let's see how to open it. What's this? Oh, there you go. Oh, what's this? And what's this thing? See what's inside. I know that's it. This is the toothbrush. Oh. There are 2 boxes. Okay, let me get the 2 boxes. Oh. Alright. Nanay, meron pa. So guys, let's open the next box. Okay, take 2 boxes. Mister. I just see some chocolate elements. Oh. It's this one. Oh, wait.
What's
I
that?
know.
It's a
Toothbrush holder.
charger.
And I'll open this and I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna try to toothbrush. How do we open this? Did they know how to open? Got it. There we go. Oh, there we go. There. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I'm putting it here. Yeah. I cannot. Okay, now it's here. Try it. Okay, kids, let's do the proper brushing.
Brushing.
Brushing. So, first, do a circular thing in your gums. And next, up and down. Next, put your toothbrush in the side. And put the other toothbrush in the side again. Okay, sorry, I turned off. Okay, let's try it. Okay, next, do this. Okay, open your mouth and please don't forget to brush your tongue and your palate and your cheeks. Okay. So massage. Why saliva's going on me? Hey, stop it. There we go. Don't forget to gargle too. Okay. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.